Guess who just got back from the bars? This guy. I have been sitting on a recipe for drunken noodles for like 4 days now, and I figured, what better time to do it than when you're drunk? Celebrate accordingly. Let's do it. I got the recipe on my phone, and what it looks like is just a really hot stir fry. So we're gonna do it like that. We'll get some ingredients coming your way. Let me tell you a secret about noodles. You can season them when they're boiling and they'll taste better. Salt. A lot of salt. Soy sauce, why not? I'm the chef. Hey! Drunken noodles! Let me tell you something about cooking. Cooking is all about confidence. If you think you can do it, you can do it. I believe in you. Noodles. Garlic. Take the flat of your knife, tap it, and that should just peel right off. And it does. Here we go. There it is. Cut off the root, cut off the top, and just chop it. Alright, green peppers. Green peppers are really easy. If you look, there's this crease. That's where the skin on the outside connects to the seeds on the inside. So that's where you're going to want to start cutting. This flat part here, that's your bottom. So that goes down on your cutting board. Start right along where that seam is. And you just cut down the side. You'll get a nice cut just like this. And if you look, you can see there's your seeds. You just keep going around the pepper like that. And there it is. That's your waste right there. That's all seeds and insides. And then you get all of your delicious outsides right here. Cut this in half. And then I'll go down the entire length. Really nice thin strips. Alright, I didn't have the funds to buy fresh chili pepper, so I've got a dried one here, which is just as good, and they keep longer. If you've got an itch or something, make sure you take care of that before you start cutting your hot peppers. I learned that one the hard way. Just putting your finger in your eye or other more sensitive places. Yeah. A big thing about cutting tomatoes is you have to have a sharp knife, but it's also about the actual movement of the knife. You can't just press flat because that'll catch on the skin and just squash the tomato. So let the knife do the work. Because I don't want to. If you're stir-frying chicken, make sure you cut it in thin strips. With the high heat, it's going to have less time to be able to reach the inside. So the less of a distance there is between the outside and the inside, the better you'll be able to cook the entire slice of chicken. Make sure you cut your raw meat last, just because of the whole food poisoning thing. We'll move you back. Come on, get up, get our vegetable oil in there. Throw in the garlic and hot peppers. Chicken, fish sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. Hey, buddy. Ooh, there it is. Wow. Oh, this just smells fantastic. Add in the rest of our stuff and the noodles. This frying pan is almost too small, so you at home may want to use like a soup pot or something to cook this in. I'm just saying, I'm trying to help you out. I don't know if it's the alcohol talking or what, but I could eat the entire damn pan. Ooh, a little spicy. This is gonna have to wash that down. But a lot of it is just acting like you know what you're doing. And sometimes you just gotta show the food who's boss. And if it turns out poorly, you know, learn from your mistakes. But if not, I mean, look, you did something good. I'm gonna finish this up and go to bed.